Beneath the waves of time, there are stories that refuse to die.
Tales of a golden city Furs, rich in wisdom, power, and pride Fushat, that vanished in a single day.
Some call it myth, others, memory.
This is the story of Atlantis, the lost world that may have once ruled the Earth.
Welcome to Ancestra, where history breathes and legends awaken. The legend begins with the philosopher Plato, around 360 BC.
He spoke of an empire beyond the Pillars of Hercules, a place of unmatched beauty and power. Atlantis, he wrote, was blessed by the gods. Its people mastered the seas, the stars, and the art of creation. But when their pride outgrew their wisdom, the ocean swallowed them whole. For centuries, scholars have debated whether Plato's tale was a parable or a forgotten truth.
Plato claimed the story came from the Egyptian priests of Sais, passed down through time as a warning to humanity.
Beyond the Pillars of Hercules, he said, lay a vast empire, greater than any known to man.
Its people were said to possess knowledge of the cosmos, a civilization built on sacred geometry and power.
A kingdom where crystal towers touched the heavens and light flowed through the streets like water. But pride brings downfall. The gods grew silent bevied, and the sea grew restless. In one dreadful night, Atlantis sank beneath the waves and was lost forever.
For centuries, explorers, scientists, and dreamers have searched for the truth behind the legend. Some believe Atlantis was Santorini, an island destroyed by a colossal volcanic eruption around 1600 BC. Others point to the deserts of Mauritania, where a massive circular formation matches Plato's description.
Some say it lies hidden beneath the Caribbean waves, a world erased by time and ocean.
Some researchers believe the ruins of Atlantis may lie hidden beneath Antarctica's frozen veil, preserved for millennia.
Structures too perfect, too symmetrical, as if nature herself remembered something ancient.
Satellite scans and radar readings have revealed shapes that challenge the boundaries of explanation.
Could Atlantis have been more than a myth, an advanced civilization wiped clean by nature's fury?
Across our world, ancient sites seem connected by patterns of stars and purpose.
Some say the wisdom of Atlantis never vanished, it evolved.
Others believe Atlantis was not human at all, fifthly, but a colony of ancient visitors from the stars.
Could they have shaped our origins, gifting us knowledge that fueled the rise of civilization?
Perhaps their power became their undoing, a technology so vast it tore their world apart. And now, all that remains is silence beneath the waves.
Modern science has not abandoned the legend, Tweg. It dives deeper, searching for clues beneath the waves.
Sonar scans from the Atlantic and Mediterranean have revealed formations that defy simple explanation.
Massive stole structures, carved with patterns too precise to be nature's design.
Old maps, like those of Piri-Reis and Mercator, hint at lands long vanished, drawn before the world knew their shape.
Modern explorers now align ancient records with satellite imaging, searching for lost truths in forgotten maps.
From the Caribbean to the Mediterranean, the search continues, one clue at a time.
Inscriptions unlike any known language, etched deep beneath the sea.
Circular ruins that seem impossible for ancient hands truly, yet undeniably real. Across ages, humanity has looked to the stars for answers. Maybe the legend lives not beneath the ocean, but within our own search for the unknown.
The legend of Atlantis never drowned. It lived on through the pens of poets and the dreams of philosophers.
For centuries, explorers chased its ghost, believing it to be the cradle of human civilization.
Even secret orders and mystics claimed to guard its knowledge, have the forgotten wisdom of the ancients.
Some say Atlantis was more than a place, but wait, it was a state of consciousness.
Its echoes can be seen in temples, pyramids, and myths, inju, fragments of one forgotten truth.
Historians still debate, was Plato's tale symbolic, or was it a distorted memory of real events?
Every discovery brings us closer to, yet the ocean guards her secret well.
Maybe it's still there, beyond our reach, waiting to be remembered.
The story of Atlantis endures because it reminds us of what we could become. This is Ancestra, where the past breathes and the forgotten awakens.